Hi guys, wanted to make a quick video for you on how to add videos to our Nicole Alani website. Some of the best ways for us to learn is to watch videos of other people doing stuff, so I wanted to show you that. So I'm starting off here in the dashboard area. This is my um, administrator dashboard. So as you see, there's lots of other stuff on here that you don't really need to worry about. This time I am going to actually use the quick press area to do this, to publish the content. Just real quick, I didn't mention this last time, there's a little triangle in the corner. If you grab it and drag down, it shows you a bigger area. The area is always there. You can type and type and type and it'll just keep scrolling up. This just allows you to see more of it at the same time. All right, so we'll start by giving this a really cool title. Again, you don't have to worry about capitalization or anything like that. That's handled. Content area. You can type something if you want. Again, you would want to do this on the post area if you wanted the option to change the text in any way, bold it, change the color, etc., etc. Okay, so I'm going to embed a YouTube video and a Vimeo video because those are the two most popular websites. I think by doing both of those, if there are any other video websites that you see a video on you want to embed, you'll get the idea. Embedding is literally just having it so it plays on your website, so somebody doesn't have to click on a link to go to YouTube or Vimeo to actually watch it. So here we go. This is the video that I saw on YouTube. This is a four-man canoe club that just surfed the heck out of some waves. So to share it, click the share button. This is the link. You don't want to use that. That's if you wanted somebody to come to this website to actually watch it. What we want here is embed, just like I mentioned. Here's the code that you actually want to copy and paste. Before you do that, though, you have some options. By experimentation, I realized that adding pictures or videos that are 700 pixels in width seem to be a little bit too large. There's some overlapping that occurs. So a better fit is actually 650 or less, in 650 pixels less in width, and that's what these represent. That's pixels here at the top. So there's a 640 here. That would work fine for us. If we want to get real specific, we could just go ahead and type 650 into the width and it'll automatically update the height on that one there. And if you notice, it went ahead and instantly updated the embed code as well. So what you do is you just go ahead and select that, right click, do copy, or if you're on a Mac with no right click, you would do Command C or go to edit and then do copy. All right, and then you go back to your dashboard tab, right click, paste, or Control or Command V on a Mac or a PC, and that's it. It's on there. It will now play on the website. So we'll just real quick do the Vimeo one as well, and so you can see how that one is, because this is there's Vimeo is not quite as intuitive as YouTube, primarily based on the fact I think that Vimeo is not as popular. So in order to do that, you'd find the video you want, you'd click on share. All right, and here you have the option to embed. Here you see that the width is 420. Well, if we want to change that, you open this area down here at the bottom. Size, this is where we would go ahead and fix it. I don't like having this thing over there. You notice it doesn't update the byline. This is who it's from. I prefer just to have the title on there for it just makes it less messy in my opinion. You can leave it on there, it doesn't really matter. And then after checking those, then you would go back and adjust the size. And so we'd say let's do 650. And the key here is, if you look, it hasn't updated here, is you have to press the tab key, and that then updates all of your code. When I read the information about it, said there's a save tab. Well, I looked everywhere. There is no save button anywhere on this as far as I can tell. And it doesn't update your preview as well. So anyways, go ahead and highlight all this. Make sure you get that bottom tag in there where it's a / iframe. That's the end of the code. You want to make sure that's on there. I'm sorry, you can't right click on this. You have to do either Control Command C or go up and do like I did, edit copy. All right, go to your dashboard area. Make sure you're on a new line. I will right click and paste that code on there, 650, and there it is. Now once you've done that, once you've pasted that code on there, you can just go ahead and publish. Wait for it to do its thing, taking a little bit. All right, say it's published. You can click View Post. All right, and there it is. I'm trying to scroll down, sorry. So there are the two videos embedded on there, and if you want, you can just go ahead and press play, and as you see, it'll just go ahead and start playing right on there. Again, this whole beginning is they were in the dark, so you can't even see anything that's on there. One last thing, I am going and, sorry, let me get back to there. What I do is after I make these videos, I go ahead and I delete the posts because they're only meant for informational purposes for you folks. So I'm going to actually show you how I do that. So go to All Posts. Now in your case, because you're authors, it will only show you the videos that, excuse me, the posts that you've made. So find the post that you want to get rid of and just go ahead and click Trash. And now it's going and doing it. All right, and I've made this video a few times, so you can go to Trash. All right, click here. It will select all the ones that you are in the trash. Delete permanently. Apply. So it puts it in a container that says trash, so it technically didn't really get rid of it. Once you go ahead and you do this and do permanent delete, then in fact it is gone. So, so that's how you delete a video as well. Anyways, more videos coming. I think it's really important that we all know how to access and add things. I don't think this is super overly complicated. I think once you figure out how to do it and get used to it, it's actually quite fun. One last thing is I didn't go ahead and categorize that, and we do want to make sure that we do categories for everything. So anyways, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can always do a video about it.